Today, we review the best 5 wood stove that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
EcoZoom Rocket Stove. The La Nordica provides great value for money and is one of the brand's best sellers. It has a simple design and is durable and powerful. It is a cast iron stove with double glass doors on the firebox that can withstand high temperatures.
Number 2.
US Stove BSK 1000 Cast Iron Barrel Stove. EcoZoom's Dura rocket stove not only burns wood but other dry solid biomass as well. The Dura is great for either camping or living off the grid, and it's even durable enough for developing countries where a wood stove would be needed on a daily basis.
Number 3.
Drolet HT 2000 Wood Stove. The BSK 1000 Barrel Stove Kit has an all-inclusive kit that contains everything you would need to convert a 36 or 55-gallon steel drum into a working stove.
Number 4.
Vogelzang TR001 Defender Wood Stove. With ultra-powerful heating ability, the Drolet HT 2000 wood stove is an excellent heating unit for any home. This high-efficiency, large-capacity wood stove delivers a maximum heat output of 100,000 BTU, which is perfect for heating a large 1,000 to 4,000 square feet space.
Number 5.
Camp Chef Alpine CS 14-cylinder wood stove. If it is blowing a bitter gale or snowing outside, you will be snug inside your home or cabin with the Vogelzang TR001 Defender wood stove. A heavy cast iron door has a large air-washed 14.4 x 8-inch ceramic glass window which gives you a magnificent view of the burning fire.